Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use our premium text-to-video prompt generator. As you know, Minimax launched a new model for video generation, and they call it T2VO1 Director. It includes camera movement templates that you can use. Our premium text-to-video prompt generator has also been updated to support these templates. Let's create a short movie using our premium text-to-video prompt generator and Minimax AI's new video generator model. I will click Create Film and follow the instructions. It will ask me to select a genre and video type. I choose drama and short film, and then it starts writing title options. I select unfinished letters, and it begins generating logline options. There are 4 of them, so I select the first one. Next, it generates character details, providing full details for primary and secondary characters. Once I confirm the characters, I generate the first scene titles. After that, it generates a screenplay for the first scene. It goes scene by scene, generating scripts and screenplays. As you can see, it creates a traditional full short screenplay for scene 1. Then, it asks me to break it down into sequences. It breaks it down into around 7 shots, which might not be enough for a 2-minute video. So, I could ask it to generate more shots if needed. It starts creating the shots, beginning with the first shot and continuing through all 7. For each shot, it generates 2 versions with different camera positions, angles, and shot types. For example, the first version is a wide shot with tracking movement. Here's the code for Minimax Director's new video generator model. When I generate this, I get the video. As you can see, it tracks the character walking around, looking at the box, and finding it. The second version is a static wide shot with depth, slightly different from the first. It adds character details under each prompt, allowing you to compare and ensure nothing is missing. For the next shot, it generates 2 versions again, an A version and a B version. If there is dialogue, it will add it. In this case, there are no dialogues. I continue generating all other shots for the first scene. On shot 5, I proceed to the next, and it generates shots 6 and 7. One is a medium shot, and the other is a close-up. I copy the prompt and go to Minimax Hailuo AI, selecting the director model. I paste my prompt, choosing the new camera movement option. This provides a template for camera movement, and I can select whatever I want based on the examples given. In our case, I use the prompt generator and set it to make 3 shots. It starts generating, and I return to the prompt to copy another version with character details. I refresh and set it to 2 shots. While waiting, I show you what I created before. As you can see, I generated many shots, all very similar in character and including some close-ups. Right now, ChatGPT acts like a film director, directing all the storyboards and shots. These are all different angles and types, generating very stable and continuous video clips that you can download and edit. I've already done some color correction because the colors were a bit off. Some still need adjustments, like removing yellow tones. Using tools like Cut, I add layers and adjust sharpness to make it look more HD. Here's the result. This one is a bit too yellow, so I remove it. Now, this one is fine. We are trying to make a cinematic video, and this is the closest you can get with text-to-video generation on Minimax Hailuo AI. Our generated videos are ready. She's reading again, and the character details have changed. In this case, I go back to my prompts, select the character details, and copy my prompt. I regenerate to ensure custom character details. This one is a close-up, respecting the initial setup but needing some face fixes. I can use another model for subject reference, copying and pasting the face details to generate a better close-up. Our videos are ready, and I made some short updates in the prompt, adding her outfit again because sometimes ChatGPT doesn't provide the color of clothing. These shots are becoming very consistent because I'm using character details at the front of the prompt. You can see some faces are not exactly the same, but overall, they are similar. Next time, I'll do another tutorial on how to create movie shots. For now, I've imported all these shots and added music, As you can see, it's really consistent. If you generate more than one, as I did for demo purposes, you'll likely get even better videos. That's it for today. We have a YouTube channel where we upload new tutorial videos every 3 to 4 days. We also have a Patreon where members can access exclusive content, such as specialized prompts. If you join Patreon, you'll receive notifications about new uploads and gain access to additional resources. You can also follow us on Twitter and join our Facebook group. Links to these platforms are in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Bye-bye.